This isn't a global metal demand boom. It's a China liquidity problem. China is swimming in cash. Money supply is growing 8.5%, while the economy barely grows 4% nominally. Households aren't spending. Businesses aren't investing. Property is broken. So where does the money go? Straight into metals futures. Trading volumes in copper, silver, aluminum, and nickel have exploded. Not because factories need more metal, but because speculators need returns. Roughly $7 trillion in Chinese bank deposits mature this year, and there are fewer and fewer places to park that cash. This is financial demand, not real demand, a classic symptom of excess liquidity. China isn't reflating its economy, it's inflating asset prices.